Hello, I'm Jake, and today we are taking a look at one of my latest model RC boats that I have acquired. Now, I found this one on Marketplace, and it's a Billings boat kit. I think I've had one before, Zwarte of Rotterdam. There you go. And I think the last one I had, it needed a lot of work, and I ended up selling it on because everything had changed. And yeah, this one popped up, and it wasn't too far from us, about an hour and a half drive, but we had a day out of it. But here it is. It's done very well, and all the colours are striking. It looks good, looks very smart. All the handrails have been painted individually along down here as well, and your mast, there you go. It's all been painted very nicely. I'm guessing it's a French ship. I don't really know too much about it. All I know is it was in Rotterdam at some point. I did take a quick look on Google and that. It's basically a really big tugboat. But it's RC, like I said, and I do plan to take it on the water in the summertime. It needs a few things sorting, like transformer and everything, get one of them. But there you go, the detail is very, very nicely done on this one. Could do a few little figures maybe, something I can add at a later date. But yeah, here it is. And like I said, the paint's been done pretty well. It's a bit rough on the edges here to the waterline. Could probably be tidied up, but from a distance you can't really notice it, and if it doesn't need doing, really, it doesn't need doing. I believe this part here lifts off, there you go. And again, the detail is very good, it's all been done properly. Definitely better than I could ever do. I think it's a fiberglass hull or a plastic hull. But there's the motor in there. And off your prop shaft going to your prop down here. And then off to your servo for your rudder. The servo's not in there properly, so I probably will have to sort that out before we take it out on the water. But there you go. You just see that bit of work that's been done down there. And I believe, I haven't taken this off yet, so this is a first. The guy did show us when we picked it up. One of the lifeboats are loose on the other side. That's something I've got to replace. But there you go. There's your speed controller down there. On and off switch. It did have a radio transmitter at some point because there's this receiver down in there along with a speed controller. But yeah, let's get that one back on, and I will show you just some of the work that I might have to do to it. It does all fit quite nicely, which is good. That means it's been built properly. There we go. And you should, I don't remember now how this one goes on. There we go. So, as mentioned, it does need a bit of work. This one lifeboat here has come unattached on the arm as well. So that will all need sorting out. But other than that, it travelled safely in the car. I had to take a giant duvet with me just to make sure it was safe and it wouldn't get damaged. Other things like this, obviously that needs straightening up a bit more. But yeah, I think some little figures look really good. I don't think there's any clear plastic in the windows. Something that could be added if I wanted to, but this thing is pretty much ready to go on the water. I'll probably tidy that up, get a transmitter and everything, and we can then use it and enjoy it. And it looked really good with my Port Adelaide, which is my big 5-foot freighter, which should be coming back to the channel this year, along with a load of other stuff, including a lot of Titanic content, because I have been missing for a couple of years, and all will be explained very soon. But yeah, there you go. I thought I'd show you this one, get back into doing some videos. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye for now.